Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some lemon pepper chicken. Okay, already got my chicken seasoned, ready to go. It marinated overnight. I'm gonna be using some lemons, some green onions, some garlic, lemon pepper season, and some paprika, and also some chicken stock. Got my oven set on 350 degrees, and it's ready to go. Okay. Uh, if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button. With that being said, y'all know what's next. Mikey's in the kitchen. Let's go to work. Okay, guys, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to squeeze some lemon juice over the chicken. And we're going to leave those rims in the pan. Then we're going to add some garlic. We're going to add some lemon pepper season. We're going to add some paprika. Then we're going to add some green onions. Then we're going to add some chicken stock. Then we're going to put it in the oven and let it cook for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Take it out. Add some more chicken stock and let it cook for another 25 minutes until the chicken is done. And there you have it. Lemon pepper chicken. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit me in the comments. Let me know what you think. Don't that look good, y'all? Let's go ahead on and plate it up. Lemon pepper chicken with yellow rice and green beans. Thanks for watching, guys.